Hello everyone, Dr. Zhang here. Today I'm going to talk about cardiovascular exercise. You probably already knew there are 5 components of exercise: cardiovascular exercise, muscle strength exercise, flexibility, body fat composition, and agility. Cardiovascular exercise is so important because it can increase the blood perfusion of every organ. For example, the brain. If we increase the cerebral perfusion, it can help our memory, the concentration, the sleep, the mood. It also can reduce the risk of a stroke. American Heart Association recommends to get at least 150 minutes per week of moderate exercise or 75 minutes per week of vigorous exercise. Then the question is, what is moderate or what is vigorous exercise? Some of my patients also asked me, say, I walk in the park 30 minutes every day. Is this exercise enough? First, let's understand what is moderate or what is vigorous exercise. You can calculate your maximum heart rate by subtracting your age from 220. Moderate exercise intensity is 50% to 70% of your maximum heart rate. Vigorous exercise intensity is 70 to 85%. For example, say you're 50 years old, your maximum heart rate would be subtracting 50 from 220, which is 170. Say your resting heart rate is 70. Calculate your heart rate reserve by subtracting your resting heart rate from maximum heart rate, which is 100. Your moderate exercise heart rate zone would be multiply your heart rate reserve by 50% to 70%. Add your resting heart rate to this number. So your moderate exercise heart rate zone is 120 to 140. Your vigorous exercise heart rate zone would be 140 to 155. Now we understand what is moderate or vigorous exercise. But if I walk in the park 30 minutes every day, is this exercise enough? It depends. It depends on who you are and what is your goal. If your goal is just disease prevention, you need to accumulate 30 to 60 minutes of physical activity most days. If your goal is to maintain the basic health, you need to do large muscle repetitive activity at least 20 minutes 3 times per week. If your goal is the enhanced fitness, you have to do the aerobic exercise 40 to 60 minutes 4 to 6 times per week. If you want to reach performance level, you need to talk to your coach. Walk in the park 30 minutes every day is good for the disease prevention, but it's not good enough if you want to increase the blood perfusion of the brain. Talk to your doctor before you want to increase the intensity of exercise. That's all for today. Stay healthy and stay young.